Please, please have mercy. Please, I have a family. Please, please, please. No, no.
Friends out at the old lake. This concerns me because in my line of work, I happen to hear a lot of stories, okay? And I'm very familiar with one case known as the Toolbox Massacre. You ever heard of this?
No, I didn't.
Okay, so at the old lake about 20 years ago, big massacre happened. Dude of the toolbox went fucking haywire, killed a bunch of young, like, teenagers, you know? It was graphic. There was limbs and arms hanging off the trees. I was there on the scene when it happened. Hey, get back! No! No!
Oh, shit!
you told me you were going to explain on the way. We're on the way. What's going on?
Well, Barry.
What are you doing?
Shit. I don't know why I primed that right now. Fuck. 1 second. Okay, we're good. Well, Barry.
Jesus Christ.
Search and destroy mission.
Search and destroy.
Yeah.
What are we searching and destroying?
We're going out to the woods. I may have made a little oopsie. Okay, and I apologize in advance. So now keep in mind, I've apologized. You can't get mad at me later.
I don't know if that's how that works, but okay, I'll hold you.
The Toolbox Killer broke into my house, stole the toolbox. I had taken it. I understand that it was police evidence, but I took his gloves and I took his box. He might be a little perturbed about this. I was not home at the time. I was out, okay?
Okay.
And
so how do you know he stole it?
Well, because who's going to break into my house and steal only the toolbox?
Somebody that needed some tools?
No. It's a sacred toolbox to him, okay? I think that it has significant resonance to him emotionally, okay? So he's stolen the toolbox. He's gone back out to the woods. He's already killed probably like 8 people. I don't fucking know. If you see on the news that somebody got their fucking head caved in with a socket wrench, I don't know, then it's probably the work of the Toolbox Killer. So we're gonna go out there, we're gonna fucking kill his ass, and we're gonna take the toolbox again, but this time we're gonna make sure we do it properly. We're gonna do it together as a team.
And you think that's gonna stop him?
Yes. Last time, I took his bitch ass down all by myself, okay? That actually is a pretty big achievement for somebody like me, okay?
Yeah.
But if you and I go at it together, this will be a fucking cakewalk, okay? I don't know how he lived through getting shot like 30 times with an assault rifle. And I mean, he's assumedly, it's December. That means that back in fucking May when we were doing this, he's been dead for a long time, okay? I bet his bones and his muscles are weak and old.
Deteriorated.
He's deteriorated, exactly.
Yeah.
He's rotted. It's the rotting corpse of the Toolbox Killer, okay? This fucker's gonna be a pussy. So as long as you follow my lead, you got your gun on you?
Yeah, I'm in my police car. I would have.
You're not a cop anymore, you fucking spaz.
My old police car. Listen, we're doing this my way or you're going the highway. Got it?
Yeah, no, I'm good with it, man.
Okay, I'm going to go in here. You're not going to run off like your Coyote Peterson and try and find something in the woods, all right? We're doing this as partners. We're not competing here, okay? What is this? Okay, we're doing this.
Teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work. You got a gun?
Yep. Let's go.
Okay.
All right, let's go on this episode of the Dante Graves Show.
Hey, no, I'm leaving.
What?
I'm leaving.
Why?
Get back. Because I'm doing it. Let's go.
Hold on, closer to the audience. You know, Barry, these leaves are pretty noisy.
Yeah, they are.
I don't know how we're gonna...
Stop. They're gonna fucking alert him of our presence. We just got in here. You think he's standing at the edge of this?
You don't fucking know shit, okay? Just try and be as silent as possible.
God, have you ever seen Predator?
What's up? Predator with Arnold Schwarzenegger. They have to be fucking the jungle guy.
Oh, is that the guy from Scorpion King?
You see what I have to deal with here?
There we go. An arrow that says Toolbox is here?
No, okay, Barry, look. Inciting nature at Dare County Conservation. This is a lot of useful information here. The lake. There's a drain-off ditch right about here. Okay, Barry, are you getting this?
No, it's not. It's over here. By the campground.
Yeah, there should be a drain-off ditch right here, right?
Right there, yeah.
Last time we entered through here, right around over here, is where I beat the shit out of the Toolbox Killer, okay?
No, it's a little lake you dumped him in.
What?
Is that the little lake you guys spotted around?
No. That's fucking... See, these are the rest areas. We came in... We're right... Where the fuck are we? Where are we at? Here? No, you fucking retard. This is the fucking...
I'm not pointing there. I was reading what it said.
This is the fucking campground that's over that way.
Clear the fuck
yes.
over there. Yeah,
see,
okay.
This is why you got lost last time
No.
like a fucking dipshit.
So we're here. This is where we parked.
No.
Yes.
This is the...
That's the little roundabout we're parked in.
So we're right here.
Figuratively.
And we gotta get all the way over there? You fucking moron!
You told me to meet here.
Okay, so we have to go...
Look, this path leads straight through. Look. Straight through.
That way?
This way.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Barry, yeah. Break time out. No, we gotta keep going. It's a perfectly good bench right here. All right, guys, good break.
It's just like a hill that just gets higher and higher.
Yeah,
it's like we're climbing a fucking mountain.
Yeah, okay, and I think we're really close because if we look right over there, if you can look a little further past that, we're about, I'd say, what is that? Maybe 90 to 100 yards due east. It's like one click away.
You don't know what the fuck you're talking about. How long is a click?
A mile. That's not 90
No,
to
it's
100
not.
yards. Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Were you a cop?
Straight up, where's my phone at? I'll fucking look this up. The click is not 1 mile away from... And what are you talking about? That's the lake. We entered from there, so it's like still like a good fucking 2 hours march that way, assuming he doesn't come out and ass fuck us.
No,
with,
it's literally right over there is where we fought him.
You don't know geography worth a shit.
Oh, it's 1 kilometer.
Yeah,
not 1
How
mile.
much is a fucking kilometer?
Well, 5 is 3.1
3.1 what?
miles. 5 kilometers is 3.1 miles. Which, in 1 click, it's a little less than a mile, isn't it?
Dave?
I have no fucking clue, man.
Okay. Anyway, 1 game of Fortnite, we're over there.
Let's
all right?
press on.
Hey, Barry, watch out for that branch.
Yeah, okay.
Fuck!
Did you just fall?
No, I didn't. There was a fucking sinkhole that you didn't tell me about.
There was no sinkhole. Do I need to come back there and check it?
I'm fucking fine, Barry. Keep walking. Barry, I'm sorry. Second break, okay?
No, no more breaks. We're like almost there.
Just second break, please. I'm fucking like. Barry!
Gonna leave Barry back there?
What? Dave, Barry is gonna be fine, okay? I've got a gun, crowbar,
He knows how to save himself. He's a grown-ass man, okay? Look, it's like they say on the airplane, put your own mask on first, okay? I needed to get out of there so I could properly assess the situation. Now there's a drainage ditch up here. I can escape out through that, bring back help. I can bring back SEAL Team 6 and they can come in here and fucking vaporize the Toolbox Killer. And Barry will probably only have to recover from a minor series of concussions. God damn.
Somebody tore this shit up.
Pretty sure I brought a full gun here. Let's see. Oh shit. Fuck. Dave, did you see where I dropped those? God damn it. Fuck! This is the worst fucking time. Okay, I found one. Dave, look underneath your leg. Look under your leg. Something like that.
I'm not seeing anything.
Oh, there's one right there. There's one right there. Oh. We're working on 2 bullets now. This is not good. Okay, I've got 2 bullets to work with. We're gonna try and make that work. Wait! Oh, fuck! I wasn't ready! I'm sorry! I'm out of bullets, but I think this nightmare's finally over. I'm sorry.
Just out here looking for Dante. He ran off after I specifically told him not to do it. We were a team. You gotta make the team work. So I hope he's getting his ass beat out there. That's the best you got, Buckstain?
I'm out of bullets.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, I don't even know where my gun is.
I don't know either.
You saved me.
Yeah, you didn't save me worth of shit back there. I had to find you. You're lucky.
I saved you with the vampire.
Okay, come on. Come on. Yeah, okay. All right. Let's get out of here before.
Hey, he's moving. He's moving.
All right. Barry, what do you want to do?
Together this time.
All right. Barry, thanks for Taco Bell.
Yeah. I forgot my fucking ass if I could really use this, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's real good. I'm leaking out the bottom.
We should do this more often.
At dinner?
Yeah.
Yeah. We should do it where it's not cold.
You buying?
I mean, I bought this time. I figured you'd buy next time.
I'm not made of money, Barry.